Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free affiliate marketing training, I'm going to be talking about how ClickBank changing their parameters when it comes to tracking hop links is a complete game changer, meaning you don't have to use your actual hop link that you get from the product that you select on ClickBank to directly post it on social media or wherever it is that you promote it at. You don't have to use that direct hop link in order to track how many people have clicked on it. That is a complete game changer because for me personally, it changes everything because there's a lot of platforms that don't accept ClickBank links. And the only real way that you can truly track them really up to this point is to just, put them behind some landing pages and then, deeper in your funnel when you actually start promoting your ClickBank, your products to your email list. It's going to be, away from social media, away from everything else. So you can't really directly post it on any platforms because that, for me personally, I always used to get them banned. Now, it really depends on what I found is it really depends, but this is a complete game changer for me. And so they got new affiliate tracking parameters. Say goodbye to the limitations of the single tracking ID tracking parameter. ClickBank's new affiliate tracking parameters will provide a streamlined solution for tracking multiple data points from click to conversion. With new affiliate tracking parameters, you can now pass and track data in separate fields, adding clarity to reporting insights without additional effort. So use the group by function to view data by specific parameters and keep tabs on your various campaigns without the tracking ID clutter. Now, this is a completely different subject. I'm going to try to talk about this in another video, but what I want to talk to you about is this right here. ClickBank now supports direct offer tracking, which allows affiliates to promote using the seller's offer page URL instead of the hop link. Promoting with the direct tracking link bypasses the customary redirect through hop. Facebook does not like this right here, hop.clickbank.net. They always used to ban my links personally. This provides a more seamless user experience and enables affiliate tracking and attribution without hop links. So let me open up the article here and explain a little bit further. So basically, what you really got to do is just once you select your product from the marketplace and you pick your offer and you get your link. Normally, we will get the link that allows you to track how many people clicked on it. Direct offer tracking is affiliate tracking and attribution method that enables affiliates to promote ClickBank offers using the offer page URL as an alternative to the traditional hop link tracking method. And I'm going to have this open up as well because I want to go over this article because this basically explains what the original method is, and it still is the original method. So a hop link is basically an unencrypted readable format that looks like this. So this is the hop link, and then you actually have your name right there, like your account affiliate name. But once it's encrypted, it's going to look like this. By default, the hop links ClickBank provided through our tools are encrypted to not show the affiliate nickname ID in the URL. But what's different now is direct offer tracking relies on a tracking script implemented by sellers on their offer page. This modern tracking method allows affiliates to promote using the seller's offers page URL rather than a hop link, which relies on a redirect through ClickBank servers, hop.clickbank.net. And I know Instagram hates that. The resulting experience has a variety of benefits for the seller and affiliates, including a smoother and more direct customer experience. Now take note that direct offer tracking will not function without the seller first implementing the tracking script onto their offer page. So let's get into it. While the hop link is still a tried and true attribution method, direct offer tracking on the ClickBank was created to navigate an ever-changing technological world and to provide affiliates with an additional promotional method that may be preferred across select channels. So here's some of the benefits. It enables affiliate tracking without hop links, potentially approved conversions with streamlined user experiences, improved affiliate tracking technology offering increased protection against browser switching and cookie clearing, an alternative tracking method that does not utilize multiple redirects, is easy to use, fully compatible with existing ClickBank tracking features including affiliate encryption to protect against spyware. The offer tracking script provides new attribution technology that enables ClickBank to secure affiliate attribution in cases where attribution may otherwise be lost, resulting in better results. This advancement is applicable to both hop link and direct tracking link traffic as long as the seller has implemented the ClickBank offer tracking script. So for these reasons, we strongly recommend that all sellers implement the offer tracking script onto their offer pages. Most notably, affiliates who promote on ad platforms with mobile apps like Facebook and TikTok are likely to experience better conversion rates when promoting sellers who have integrated our tracking script on their offer pages, based on this improved technology supported by the tracking script. So let's talk about how it works. Now here's the diagram here. So the original method was you'll actually have the link and they click on the hop link click. It'll get redirected through it'll go through the ClickBank servers and then get redirected from basically to the page how it changes is you put the tracking script onto the page, and you put the offer URL click right here, and then the tracking script comes before it goes to ClickBank servers. The first step that must be completed for an affiliate to use direct offer tracking is the implementation of the direct offer tracking script by the seller onto their offer page, the page where the seller's payment links are located. If the offer tracking script has not been implemented by the seller on their offer page, affiliates don't have the option to promote with direct offer tracking. If a seller implements the tracking script and only wants to offer it to select affiliates, they can leave the enable affiliates to promote directly box unchecked. This means their marketplace listing will not indicate that they offer direct offer tracking and will not be provided as a link option through the affiliate tools feature. The offer tracking script that has been implemented on the seller's offer page works in combination with ClickBank designated URL parameters appended to the affiliate's promotion URL, direct offer URL, to ensure that attribution is provided. The affiliate utilizes the offer page URL and appends the ClickBank designated URL query parameters to pass the affiliate information required for attribution. When a potential customer clicks on an affiliate link, they're directed to the seller's offer page. This is where the ClickBank tracking script inspects the URL. So this is a complete game changer because it's not going through the ClickBank service first, which triggers, I know, Facebook's algorithm. Identifies the affiliate, creates a hop, and runs an additional actions to maintain and assure affiliate attribution. So here's what a direct offer link looks like compared to a hop link. So this will be, the direct tracking link right here, whatever your main page is, and then you'll have basically the link here, and you see the difference. This is the hop link right here. Both of these links have been encrypted, but in the hop link, the seller's brand and domain isn't visible due to the redirect through ClickBank servers. So how to find offers that support direct offer tracking requirements for direct offer tracking. Before an affiliate can begin promoting with a direct tracking link, the seller must first, as we were saying, integrate the tracking script onto their offer page, and if the seller has not done that, then the only tracking method available to the affiliate is the traditional hop link. If you're an affiliate currently promoting for a seller who does not use this, you can reach out and encourage them to do so. Additionally, if the seller does not wish to offer direct offer tracking to all affiliates, they're able to opt out of indicating the offer support for direct offer tracking in the ClickBank marketplace. So if a seller has indicated in their My Site section that they have enabled direct offer tracking for affiliates and has implemented the tracking script, Bank's technology will identify this and indicate so within the ClickBank marketplace. So let me show you real quick what they're talking about. So if you actually go, let me see, you can go back here and then you go to the marketplace here, click on continue, and let's see, what are the tracking parameters here? Use tracking, blah, 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 blah. So it looks like that this guy doesn't have direct offer tracking because you only get like a regular, so he doesn't have the option. As you can see, is grayed out for a direct URL link. Generating a direct offer tracking link for the offer is only available if the seller has implemented it. So when you click on promote, you click on link type, and you have the options right here to either choose from a hop link or a direct URL link. So that's how you pretty much identify it. Like, let's just go down real quick and just like click on this for like random. I'll choose my name, I'll click on continue, and then you have these options. As you can see, it's still a very new thing, and a lot of sellers, at least the ones that I clicked on just now, haven't quite implemented it yet. So you click on the affiliate marketplace here, and then you click on, you can actually, under affiliate resources, click on direct offer tracking. You can filter offers by that way. You can find the offer you want to promote and click promote. Offer listings that have direct offer tracking will include an indicator. So we'll say it right below here as I was showing you. So the ones that didn't show that, I clicked on promote and it was grayed out. But you can bypass all of that by just looking for it right underneath the product here. Enter in your affiliate account nickname that you want to promote with the seller's account nickname, as I showed you earlier, and then it'll give you these options to choose from. And it's a pretty simple thing. You just copy the link and then you start promoting it. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to share that with you. It's a game changer. A lot of people don't know about this. They're still using hop links. So I want to bring this to your attention because I have a lot of affiliate marketers who follow my channel, and they aren't aware that you can now use direct offer tracking, which I think is really, really awesome because I've been using ClickBank since 2015, or give or take late 2014, and I've always had to use hop links. So this is something I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to like really dig my hands into it. Run a lot of different tests and experiments. And speaking of which, I'm actually going to be making another video on ClickMagick and all the different alternatives. I found a platform called Jot URL. Is really, really good. It's, I would say maybe more of an all-in-one, slimmer down version of ClickMagick, which is basically just a way of tracking how many people click on your links. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be making a video about that and following up on this as well. All right. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick little informative tutorial, basically just covering direct offer tracking for affiliates with ClickBank. And it was just so exciting to me, I just really had to share this with you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales to your business, as well as artificial intelligence and automation, search engine optimization, copywriting tutorials, etc. And right in the description below this video, you'll see a free checklist for affiliate marketing that will help you to generate leads and boost sales. All you gotta do is just put your name and your email address in, and it'll get sent right to your inbox. All right. So with that said, make sure you take a look at the tools and the resources below. I have everything that I included in this video, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. See you then.